Hi, this is Stephen Ewan. For the client project presentation, I would like to discuss a cloud migration project. The client is my father and his system support team. They host e-commerce sites for state governments. The hardware consists of web server and tape library. The hardware is getting old and needs to be replaced within a year. My father's team needs to decide whether to replace the hardware or migrate to cloud. They did a Google search on cloud, but the information is not complete. My father asked me to conduct a search on cloud architecture and the pros and cons of cloud migration. I set up two reference interviews. The first interview is to understand my father's project. The second interview is to present the search results to my father and find out if he needs more information. The interview questions include information on the current system, the reason for the upgrade schedule, the requirements on the new system, has any research been done. At the second interview, find out what additional information is needed. I started my initial search based on three major areas: cloud computing, cloud storage, and cloud migration. I decided to use ProQuest Dialog because its databases cover the areas I am interested in. Based on my initial search, I selected 6 databases for further evaluation. I constructed a search plan based on keywords from the interview and related terms. I used Boolean operators to set up the search string. I refined my search by eliminating unrelated topics. At the second interview, my father expressed interest in several cloud providers. I narrowed the search based on the names of the cloud providers. I had to conduct site search on the providers to find out pricing information and product offering. My search results provide information on cloud architecture and cloud migration. I answered questions on cost, performance, and security. My father was happy with the information. I was a little bit uncomfortable with the first reference interview because it was my first time. I also felt that I did not have enough technical knowledge to ask questions about my father's project. The second interview went a lot smoother since I have gained some knowledge after the first interview. Selecting the right databases was a challenge since my father wanted both technical information and industry trend. I had to modify the search string several times to find the results I wanted. Overall, this project is a valuable experience. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.